We got 88 people.
That boy
12
crazy. That
likes.
boy's outrageous shit. That boy's outrageous shit.
It's crazy. Oh, I should have gone live for my haircut.
Come on, dude. Chill, dude.
Chill.
Chill. Man, ban every nigga in the chat.
I don't want to make nobody no mind because I was feeling like somebody was just going to go ahead and go ban everybody. without my consent. Telling people pretend to sneeze and give him a reverse mohawk. That's crazy.
Nah, dude. Both of y'all, what you mean?
Come on, man. What is it?
Bro, my
4 people.
Chad, coming down, Chad. It's coming down, Chad. That's why I got braces, dude.
Crispy. Thank you.
Honor crispy.
Thank you. It's really the end of the country.
Bro said rub baby on his forehead, no Diddy. Come on, bro. Chase with the rose. Let's go. If your barber not tapping you with alcohol, bro, you're cooked.
You're cooked.
You're cooked, champ. You gotta get them saber trimmers.
Yeah, I was looking at him. I might get him for
2 days later, he finished with the lineup.
I got the black masters coming in. The black Andes masters. They about to come in. They coming in like 2 days, 3 days, something like that. OJ down. Look at this back real quick. Y'all gonna see them on my channel as soon as they come in. I'm gonna do unboxing and everything. Kind of excited for it, but I don't know, cause usually when I get new clippers, they really don't work like how they supposed to. So I need you to let me down, man. I mean, I have so many clippers, man. So many clippers. Be scared of buying new clippers, cause I never know how they gonna work for us. I feel like they don't be having no proper YouTube video. We're really on how I cut. Like it don't be like no next level tutorials on like unboxings or reviews. It'd be like regular people.
Why is bro laughing? If you laugh,
that's crazy, bro.
You
Just
gay?
came in late. That's crazy. First person to laugh. First person to blink.
Bro got the Fritos cut. Once I got Fritos cut, it's crazy. Yeah, we had 1K chat, 1K like chat, 5K like chat. I go scalp on. Doing a 24-hour stream, chat. 24 hours.
That's it.
24-hour stream, chat. 24 hours. Getting a cut. Yeah, one. You are a fire barber.
Thank you. Make sure you subscribe. We about to end it. The phone.
Bro got the waterfall cut in the back. No, not my phone. It didn't say it was on.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cat. What you mean, bro?
God bless y'all. Jesus loves. Jesus loves you too, brother.
Did bro mess me up, chat? I think he did.
Jesus loves you too, brother.
Chat, did he mess me up, chat? Chat. You trip, dude.
Huh?
Oh, pubic hair, dude.
Okay.
Come on, dude. Y'all going crazy.
Okay. Chill, brother.
Stop all that, chat. Stop all that, chat. Bro looks like a grandpa. Come on,
Looks
dude.
crazy. Bro got the Cheeto cut. Looking fly, fam. Bro got the Happy Meal lineup.
Come on, dude.
Oh, man.
Come on, dude. What is that?
50 votes. 50 votes for follow J Big. 37% said yes, and 63% said 63% people said no.
Come on, dude.
For the poll. I forgot you go. Like I could
Parallel parts in the shower.
Let me see.
What do you mean
Pin.
parallel parts in the shower, dude?
So these little things. Pin message, channel activity, add moderator. So I can add a mod right now and people can ban. Put user in timeout. I can put somebody in timeout if they